Hey guys, it's Kabonster. Hope you guys had a wonderful 4th of July. Today we have a shattered iPhone X back glass, so let's go ahead and get this thing fixed. And now it's crunch time. And we'll put it in the laser machine one more time to get all the extra glue off. And we'll give it a good old brush. What do you think of my toothbrush? And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's as good as new as if nothing ever happened. If you want to send yours in, click the link in the description of this video and we will get you taken care of. Thank you so much for watching.